Usodrar ke Shnong Mawryngkneng ubak Peter lawai minta kasngi ula Pynpoi ya kejing Sokya halor kejing Pinslam ban Pyndep ya kejing Pentre ya kapom lahir Greater Water Supply Scheme. Habayakren bat kinong thok khubor ubat lawai ula ong bayakani ke projek lamang tingka hausnem arhajar arpholai ha kejing lut kebalong palat sauphraklur tingka bat kamshim lala ban Pyndep ha kapor kebalabu. Kata ha ubnai rempang usnem arhajar arphosau. Kat ba kajing Pentre ya katop kaladap. Henry kajing Pentre ki pipe ki Pynpoi syaman lagi thliu yeng pat shimlas dang. Ka Dorbar Shnong jong ka Mawryngkneng kelakir pat yu menteri badekmi ya ketenat PHE bat ki briu sorkar ban sedang ban Pyndep no kam kloy ya kini ka kam hapo ubnai naitung menta usnem.
The amount sanctioned is around 48 crores above. And the work they have started since 2023. I'm sad to say that now we have come here that this project now has been stopped because this treatment plant has been completed. But as per the order that they have given from the PHE department, they fixed the time that this project should be completed by the end of February 2024. But till now, we have seen some of the main water supply pipe that some of the contractors, they have not started the work till now.
Kiladan kat tu kat ni kijing